Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to show total price in Agoda. So have you ever found yourself puzzled by Agoda's pricing? Oh, you're not alone. So I'm going to walk you through how to view the full price including taxes and fees. First things first, open your preferred browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. In the search bar, which is here, type your destination city or hotel name, select your check-in and check-out date and specify the number of guests per room. Hit the search button and it's going to take you to a window where you will now see a lot of options. So just browse through the search results and click on the hotel that piques your interest. Now on the hotels page, you're going to scroll down to room rate section where you will see various room options with their respective prices. So let's go over that. So let's say this is the hotel I chose. I'm just going to click on that. Now scroll down, remember to room rates. Ensure that you have a very strong internet connection so you can avoid delays like this. So I'm going to show you what to do. So scroll down. The rooms is still loading up. Now under the rooms, you have rooms here. Prices do not include taxes and fees. That's what it shows here. So, but then the room rates you see, and you see the prices. The price is attached. So you see various room options with their respective prices. So to view the total price, including taxes and fees, you can just go ahead and click on the price details link that is next to the room rates. Okay. So this is the room rate. So head over here to where you have prices do not include taxes and fees. And it says change your price display to include or not include taxes and service fees by clicking on the currency icon in the top of the page. So let's go ahead and click on the currency icon. So here you go, click on the currency icon. And now it says base price per night and it says current total price per night. So set that to total price. And once you set that to total price, you see that the entire details page will be refreshed. So now you'll be able to see the total price. Agoda often displays prices per night. So multiply the nightly rate by the number of nights to estimate the total cost. And be aware that the final price may vary slightly due to currency conversion rates or promotion discounts. But you see now that you will be able to find total prices next to it. So now it says prices include taxes and fees. So whatever you see now is the total price you're going to have. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.